In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group layers in Adobe After Effects. Grouping layers is an essential skill in After Effects as it helps you organize and manage complex projects more efficiently. We'll begin by launching After Effects and opening up your specific project. It's important to start with a project you're familiar with, as this will make it easier to understand how grouping layers can be integrated into your workflow. Once you've opened your project, you need to select the composition that contains the layers you want to group. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for organizing your layers within the composition. Selecting the right composition ensures that you are working with the appropriate layers for your task. Next, click on the first layer you wish to include in your group. If you're new to this, remember that a layer in After Effects is simply an individual piece of content within your composition. By clicking on the first layer, you're starting the process of selecting the layers you want to group together. To include more layers in your selection, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then click on Additional Layers. This will allow you to select multiple layers at once, streamlining the process. Holding Shift is a handy shortcut that saves time by letting you select several layers in a single action, rather than clicking each one individually. Now that you've selected all the layers you want to group, navigate to the Layer tab at the top of After Effects. From the drop-down menu, select Pre-Compose. Pre-composing is a powerful tool in After Effects. It essentially allows you to condense multiple layers into a single composition, making your timeline cleaner and more manageable. After selecting Pre-compose, you will be presented with a few options. Choose Move All Attributes into the new composition. This option is important because it transfers all the animations and effects that you've applied to the layers into the new composition, keeping your work intact and organized under a single pre-composed layer. Finally, click OK to confirm your choices. This action will complete the grouping of your layers into a pre-composed composition. The layers now appear as a single layer in your original composition, which makes your timeline easier to navigate and manage. By following these steps, you should now have all your desired layers grouped together, making your After Effects projects more organized and easier to handle. Grouping or pre-composing is not just about tidiness, it's about control, letting you work more efficiently as your projects become more complex. Practice this technique and you'll find that managing your compositions will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and happy animating!